Hey, Liz team, I want to congratulate you with the reviews and star rating that you have on this listing. I know how competitive the beauty and gift category can be, so to see the star rating you have is really a job well done. Now, my job is to look for potential opportunities with sellers who prioritize on Amazon. And if it's okay with you, I'd like to show you a few opportunities I found with your listing. My name is Sean, and I'm an account executive with my Amazon guide. So I'm not going to point out the obvious. Why don't you have your brand store set up? I'm curious if that's a catalog issue. But before we go through the listing, let's talk about traffic. What sends traffic to your listing? Keywords. Now, we utilize this tool to look at your sponsored pay-per-click keywords, right? And then your organic keywords. We do a ton of competitive research and market snapshots and a lot of stuff here. But looking here, you've got 1,400 sponsored keywords, over 6,100 organic keywords. Now, I love the number of organic keywords that you have. We do recommend a 1-to-2 golden ratio, one sponsored for every two organic. But I got to tell you, your ranking organically needs a lot of improvement. Let me show you what I mean. As I scroll down here, let me get out of the way. As I scroll down, notice that I sorted your keywords by the most searched. So gifts for women, gifts for her, lip balm. And then you're sponsoring some of these keywords. And then for a few of them, you're organically ranked. Now, think about Amazon. You've got to be on page one, right? That's where most of the conversion happens. You've got to be ranked in spots 1 through 50 to be on page one. Look at your organic rank, which is in the far right corner here. You're in the triple digits. Do you see that? And you've got a lot of these keywords where you're not even showing up. Gifts for women, you should absolutely be organically ranked for that. But because your organic rank is so poor, you've got to sponsor some of these keywords, and your sponsoring needs work too. So I want to show you what I'm talking about here. I scrolled down, look at this, luxury gifts for women, right in line with your brand, with your products. There's 5,800 people in the past 30 days looking for this. You are sponsoring the word at the bottom of page one, and then organically ranked 234. You're deep on page 5 or 6. Now, again, 5,800 people. Look at this. Over $32 million was earned in the past 30 days by sellers indexing for luxury gifts for women. And unfortunately, Liz did not earn at all. Even though you're sponsoring this keyword and you are organically ranked, but deep in the search results, it wasn't sufficient enough, your ranking, for you to earn in this category. So you looked back, gift set, this ASIN did not earn as a result of it. So I would definitely work to improve your ranking organically. Now, let's talk about competition. I found this listing by taking the words back gift set from your title. No product comparisons here. This brand is called Lovery, though. What I want to show you is their advertising strategy. Look at this. So they're doing it right. They've got a great 1-to-2 ratio almost. They've got 4,200 sponsored keywords, 7,600 organic keywords. And they are ranked very well organically. So they are showing up in over 11,000 different search variations. And you have quite a few less than that, if I remember correctly. Yes, so 4,000 more search variations they're showing up, and they've sold over 16,000 units in the past 30 days, and you're at a fraction of that. Now, these are estimates, but it definitely shows their strategy is paying off and they are winning with sales. Now, let's talk about organics. Here at my Amazon Guide, we have the industry leading SEO process for organic optimization. We break our SEO process up into 4 phases. And in phase 3, we look at those keywords where you're ranked in spots 20 through 50 organically. So you're at the bottom of page 1. More than 10% of your keywords are like this right now. And if you notice, you're having to sponsor a lot of these keywords because your organic rank is not benefiting you. So through our SEO process, we would lift you up so that instead of being in spot 45 for lavender gifts for women, exactly what your product is, we'd have you in the top 10. And if you're no longer having to sponsor these keywords any longer, imagine the impact on your ACOS and your tacos. So food for thought there. Now let's come over to your listing. I will tell you right away, I see in your images, no people. That is a huge miss in this category. In the beauty category, you've got to see your demographic. Is it a man? Is it a woman? You know, what age are they? So does this appeal to certain skin types, to certain body types? I mean, who is that? You've got to see your images are very small too. I would absolutely update your images to have it fill the entire box, and put lifestyle images. It's all very white right now. Your brand store. If you've got a catalog issue, something that's suppressing you from being able to get your brand store set up, please reach out to me. We could probably fix that for you. Your bullets down here need to be updated regularly, 250 characters each one. And then scrolling down here, I do like that you've got your from the brand story set up. It needs, I would recommend more content in this. Let me show you. This is our founder's brand. It's called Age of Sage. And as we scroll down, I want you to see their brand story and just the difference in it. So you see it's got a nice background. It shows the brand name, talks about the brand, how they got their start, why they do what they do, what makes them. But look at all these hyperlinks too for noteworthy products, even to the brand store. So I absolutely recommend updating your brand story. And then you're missing out on A plus content too as well. I would add that as well. A plus content can oftentimes be the deciding factor between someone choosing you or your competition. So listen, here at My Amazon Guy, we're a full service 300-person Amazon agency, and we've got a ton of experience in the giftable and beauty category. We give our clients peace of mind knowing that Amazon is handled so they can focus on their business. But I'd love an opportunity to chat with you. So click the link in my email that reads book a call, snag yourself a free consultation. And once you do that, I'll email out the competitive analysis. But thank you so much for watching. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.